Traditionally, solving these optimization problems meant manually defining constraints and iterating over solutions, taking weeks, with stale data by the end. At NVIDIA, we cut that to minutes using an AI-first planner built on agentic workflows and the cuOpt decision intelligence optimization engine. In this tutorial, we will show you how to set up and run the NVIDIA cuOpt supply chain agent that is built using that same architecture and open-sourced for operations research scientists, supply chain planners, and developers to deploy and extend. Here's how it works. It's a multi-agent workflow with orchestrator sub-agent pattern. An orchestrator receives your natural language problem description and delegates to specialized LangChain Deep Agents, which convert it to a linear programming or mixed integer programming models and solve them using GPU-accelerated cuOpt. Structured cuOpt agent skills handle parsing, modeling, and planning out of the box, returning optimized decisions with full explainability. The agent is fully open sourced and is available as a BREV launchable. We are giving away free developer credits. Grab those before you start. Link in the description. Alright, let's get started. Step 1. Spin up the environment. Deploy the BREV launchable. This provisions a preconfigured GPU environment in the cloud. CUDA, Docker, and the NVIDIA Container Toolkit are all pre-installed, so you don't need to configure any of that by yourself. Once the instance is ready, click Open Notebook to launch the Jupyter environment. Step 2. Clone the repo and set up prerequisites. First, you'll need an NVIDIA API key from build.nvidia.com. Head to your profile, click API keys, and generate one. Store it somewhere safe. You won't be able to retrieve it after closing the tab. In the notebook, clone the cuOpt examples repository and move into the cuOpt agent subdirectory. This repo contains everything needed: agent code, skills, configs, and sample scenarios. Next, initialize the submodules. These are required for the NeMo Agent Toolkit chat UI, and set up your environment variables by copying the example.n file. Save your API key into that file and authenticate with the NVIDIA Container Registry using your key. Step 3. Deploy the LLM as an NIM. The agent uses Minimax M2.5 as its reasoning model, deployed locally as an NVIDIA NIM. Open a new terminal tab and export your API key as ngc API key. This is the same key, just referenced by a different name for the NIM container. Then, run the Docker command to pull and start the NIM container. One important config change: map the container to port 8001 instead of the default 8000, since port 8000 will be used by the cuOpt agent in the next step. Once the container is running, test it with a quick curl request to confirm the LLM is responding correctly. Then, update the config YAML, located in config/config deepagent.yaml, to point the LLM-based URL to your local NIM endpoint at port 8001. This YAML-driven configuration is one of the key design decisions here. Agents, LLMs, and workflows are all defined in config files, so you can tune behavior without touching the code. Step 4. Build and start the agent services. Back in the notebook, run the docker compose build command. This packages the full agent workflow: the cuOpt solver, LangChain Deep Agent orchestration, and the NeMo Agent Toolkit chat frontend. Then bring everything up in detached mode with the compose up command. Each command takes a couple of minutes to run, so let them complete fully before moving on. Step 5. Launch the UI and start optimizing. Head back to the BREV console. Go to the Environments tab and navigate to the Access sub-tab. Under Shareable URLs, you'll see 3 services running: Jupyter on port 8888, a chat UI on port 3000, and Phoenix Tracing on port 6006. Confirm all ports show healthy, then open the chat UI. This is the NeMo Agent Toolkit interface, where you interact with the agent. Let's use an example. Copy one of the sample supply chain scenarios from the cuOpt examples repo and paste it into the UI. The agent will start planning and executing. You'll see it working through the problem in real time. Each prompt takes a few minutes, and the final optimized solution is returned with full explainability. For full observability into the agent's reasoning pipeline, intermediate steps, agent decisions, model calls, developers have the flexibility to set up Phoenix Tracing. Try varying demand, capacity, or cost inputs using the preconfigured prompts, and observe how the objective values, decisions, and constraint impacts respond in real time. Once you're done, delete the BREV instance to cleanly shut everything down. From here, explore the cuOpt agent skills on GitHub. They're modular and extensible, so you can inject custom constraints, integrate your own data, or expand into broader linear programming and mixed integer programming domains for your own enterprise supply chain workflows. Links to the GitHub repo, tutorial blog, and BREV Launchable are all in the description below.